Namaste and welcome to day 10 of 30 Days Cult and Flow Yoga to a Stronger You. Today the focus is on core strength. Okay, we are going to target those abdominal muscles which will build strength in the whole body. Apart from that, this is very good for your belly fat. So anyone struggling with belly fat, especially post delivery, you can go ahead with this practice. This practice is diastasis recti free, so you can practice it even if you have a split in your abdominal muscles. Okay, so grab your blocks, come onto your mats, and let's begin. We'll start the class seated today. So place your hands on your thighs and we'll do a rotation of the abdomen. Okay, focus is on the abdomen. Inhaling, you move the body to the front, and exhale, you take the body behind. Go very gentle, only trying to move the abdomen in circles. Okay, compressing the core, taking it to the front, and exhaling, you slightly take it to the back. Inhale to the front, exhale to the back. 4, to the front, to the back. 5. Now move it in the opposite direction. Inhale to the front, exhale back. 1, front, back. 2, front, back. 3, front, back. 4, front and back. 5. Now from here we will do a gentle stretch. You'll first bend your body towards the left side and then you twist your body towards the right. So you'll get a good stretch at your abdomen. Okay, let's begin. Inhale, bend to the left. Exhale, twist to the right. 1, bend, twist. 2, bend, twist. 3, bend, twist. 4, bend, twist. 5. Place the right hand back. Now let's do it on the other side. So lift the left arm up straight. Inhale, you bend your body towards the right side and then you twist your body towards the left. 1, bend, exhale, twist. 2, bend, twist. 3, bend, twist. 4, bend and twist. 5. Relax. That gives a very good stretch to the abdomen muscles. Now let's come into the tabletop. Bring your arms exactly underneath your shoulders and bring your knees exactly underneath the hip joint. From here, while we do the cat and cow stretch today, inhaling, you will come into the cow. Okay, head out, hip out, bringing the tummy towards the floor. While you exhale, you pull the head in, hip in, back towards the ceiling and lift the knees up. Okay, this will give you a good core compression. Let's start. Come on. Inhale out. Exhale, pull in. 1. Inhale out. Exhale in. 2. Inhale out. Exhale in. 3. Inhale out. Exhale in. 4. Inhale out. Exhale in. 5. Stay here now. Hold this position with the knee lifted. 1, 2. Feel it in your core. 3, 4 and 5. Gently bring the knees down. Keeping the right knee on the floor, you extend the left leg to the back. Okay, coming into a modified side plank. Interlock your hands behind your head. You bend your body to the right. Extend the arm. Tap the floor. Bring it back and come back. This is going to really challenge your core muscles. So let's begin. Bend to the right. Tap the floor. Come back and lift. 1. Bend. Tap. Back. Lift. 2. Bend. Tap. Back. Lift. 3. Bend. tap, back, lift. 4, bend, tap, back and lift. 5. Now place the left hand on the left thigh. Take your right hand straight and you bend your body towards the left side. Give a very good stretch. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Bring your right hand down. Now let's do that on the other side. So bring the left knee down and extend the right leg to the side. Use good cushioning if you have sensitive knees. Interlock your hands and bring your hands behind your head. Bend to the left, tap the floor, come back and lift. 1, bend, tap, back, lift. 2, bend, tap, back, lift. Bend, tap, back, lift. 4, bend, tap, back and lift. 5. Release your hands, place your right hand on the leg. Take the left hand up above your head straight. Now you inhale and bend your body towards the right. Give a good stretch. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up, bring your left hand down and come into a standing position. Come to a standing position. Let's stand and take around 3 to 4 feet gap in between both your legs. Toes will be pointing outwards and you'll bend the body, bend the knees and come down into a goddess pose. Okay, here extend your arms to the sides. You bend to the right, tap the right ankle, lift. You bend to the left, tap the left ankle and lift. Let's start. Right, left. 1, right, left. 2, right, left. 3, right, left. 4, right and left. 5. Relax. Bring the hands back. Take the right toe outside. Extend your arms to the sides and exhaling you bend down to the right. Coming into a triangle pose. Breathe here. Look up to the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look down. Lift yourself up. Bring the right toe in. Take the left toe out. Look at your left hand and exhaling go down left side. Right arm comes up. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bring your hands down onto the mat and send the left leg behind, coming into a plank pose. Breathe here. Push the floor and stay here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this. Come on. 9 and 10. Bring the knees down. Relax your body in child's pose. Breathe nice, long and deep here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift yourself up. Now you come onto your backs. Come down flat onto your back. And from here, you place your hands next to your chest. And you take the block in between your knees. Okay, place the block in between your knees. Inhaling, you'll bring the block towards your face and exhaling, you'll bring the heel down to the mat. Okay, let's begin. Start. Knee to face, heel to floor. 1, knee to face, heel to floor. 2, knee to face, heel to floor. 3, knee to face, heel to floor. 4, knee to face, heel to floor. 5. Now keeping the block exactly in between your knees, gently you lift the hip up. Okay, coming into a bridge pose. Exhale, you bring the hip down, bring the knee to the face and bring the feet to the floor. So you have 2 movements here. Let's begin. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Knee to face, feet to floor. 1. Hip up, hip down, knee to face, feet to floor. 2. Hip up, hip down, knee to face, feet to floor. 3. Hip up, hip down, knee to face, feet to floor. 4. Hip up, hip down, knee to face, feet to floor. 5. Now you can get rid of the block and relax the legs out. Stay in Shavasana for as long as you like here, relaxing the core muscles. That's it from me today. We'll meet again tomorrow. Bye-bye.